Yes, now students, see here our next chapter, fourth chapter, multiplication. So what is a multiplication? How to multiply, and what are the properties of multiplication, and all these things we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay. So this is a multiplication. See here. First of all, so we are going to enter into the multiplication chapter. First, warm up time. So what is there here? Some pictures are given here. Raju, he is Raju, so she is his friend. So she is asking, so what she is asking, Raju, I want to give 2 pence to each of my 6 friends. So what she wants to give 6 pence. See, not 6 pence, 2 pence. How many pence? 2 pence each of her friend. How many friends she is having? She is having 6 friends. For total 6 friends, she wants to give 2 pence each. 2 pence each she wants to give. And then what Raju replies, how many will you need in all? So Raju, he is asking how many pence you want. If you want to give 2 pence each of your 6 friends, then how many pence you need? How many pence you need to give 6 of your friends? 6 of your friends. Who is asking? Raju. Raju is saying. Raju, what he replies? He replies, how many pence you need? How many pence you need to give 2 pence each of your 6 friends? Who is asking? She is asking to Raju, and Raju he is asking. Next, again, what her reply? So her reply is, for this I will have to add 2 6 times. So she know how to add. So how many pence she need? Total 6 friends, no? 6 friends. 6 friends. Total 6 friends. For 6 friends, she wants to give 2 pence. For first 2 pen for her first friend, and next to second friend, next to her third friend, next to her fourth friend, next to her fifth friend, next to her sixth friend. Total 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2 pence she wants to give. So each of her friend, total 6 friends. 2 for her first friend, for second friend 2 pence, third for her 2 pence, fourth friend 2 pence, fifth friend 2 pence, and sixth friend 2 pence. Then what she replies, sir, she need total how many pence? So he is asking. Then she replies, sir, I want to add 2 6 times. 2 6 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So she replies 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2. 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 9, 10, 10 plus 2, 11, 12. Total how many pence she need? She needs total 12 pence. 12 pence according to her answer. So what's her answer? Her answer, what she replied? She replies that, sir, she add 2 6 times. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why? Because she want to give 2 pence each of his friend. Total how many friends she is having? 6 friends. 6 friends. So that is why she should add 2 6 times. Then she will get how many pence she need. How many pence she need? Total 12 pence she need. This is the method she follows. Who? So Raju's friend. First, what she says first she is saying that she want to give 2 pence each of her 6 friends. Then what Raju asking? Raju asking that, so how many pence you need? How many pence you need? Then again after that what she replies? So she replies that she has to add 2 2's 6 times. How many? 2 2's 6 times she wants to add 2's 6 times. Then after that what again Raju replies, you don't need follow such a long method. It is a very long method, adding 2 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 6 times. She is adding 2 6 times. He is saying that you don't need to follow such long method. So, if you know multiplication, if you know the multiplication, then you don't need this type of long method to follow. So, how many pens will you need? So, if you know multiplication, what is there in multiplication? In multiplication, just 2 multiplies 6 times, 6 of her friend, 2 6 are 12. Total how many friend? How many pens? 12 pens. Then in short you will get your answer. So, this long method, it is not required to follow this long method if you know the multiplication. Who is saying? Raju. Raju is saying if you know the multiplication, then you know you don't need to follow such a long method, she is saying, he is saying. Who? Raju. Here multiplication. Now, what we understood here, so we understood that this is a repeating addition. So, whenever repeating addition is there, so we should follow multiplication. It means multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Repeated addition is nothing but multiplication. So, what? Here if the same number repeatedly we are going to add, so we can apply multiplication. 2 6 are 2, we are adding 6 times, 2 6 are 12. So, in short we will get our answer by multiplication, by multiplying the numbers. It means multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Wherever repeated addition is there, we have to follow multiplication. Same number repeatedly, if you are adding the same number repeatedly twice, thrice, 10 times, 100 times, 1000 times, whatever. So, in short, by using multiplication we will get our answer. Okay. Yes, students, see here learning time. So, in this learning time, so what he has given? Introducing groups. See here, in first question, each cycle has 2 wheels. See in the picture. So, each cycle having 2 wheels. How many wheels do you see in all? How many wheels are there in that 4 bicycles? 4 bicycles. See here in that picture, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cycles were given. So, in that 2 wheels are there in each cycle. In each cycle, how many wheels were there? 2 wheels were there. So, then total how many wheels are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many wheels are there? 8 wheels were there. So, then how to do this here? In the solution, so what is there? How to write? So, 4, how many total? 4 group of 2 wheels in each. In total how many groups were there? 4 groups. So, in 4 groups 2 wheels were there. So, we have to add 2 4 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Then what is the answer? 2. 2 plus 2, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 7, 8. Total how many wheels? 8 wheels. 4 group of 2 wheels in each. 2 wheels in each. Then what is the answer? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So, we have to add 2 4 times. 2 4 times. Then what is your answer? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. Next. So, in the second question, what is given in the second question? See in the picture first. So, here number of keys given in each keychain. So, how many keys were there in each keychain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See in the picture. See here, each keychain has 3 keys. How many keys we have? 3 keys. So, then how many keys do you see in all? So, in one keychain, how many keys were there? 1, 2, 3. 3 keys were there. So, in the second also 1, 2, 3. 3 keys were there. So, then total how many keys were there in all? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 keys were there. So, then how to solve this one? How many groups are there? 2. 2 groups. 2 groups of 3 keys in each key chain. Okay, 2 groups of 3 keys in each key chain. So, then how many keys were there? So, we have to add 3 2 times, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, then 3 plus 3 is how much? 3, 4, 5, 6. So, then what is the answer? 6. How many keys we have? Total 6 keys we have. Total how many keys we have? 6 keys we have. See in the picture and so do a solution. So, first how many keys are there? In all he is asking. First how many keychains were given? So, how many groups? That one keychain you consider as one group. Total 2 groups were there. So, 2 groups of 3 keychains in each. How many keychains are there in each? 3. So, we have to add 3 2 times. Why? Because 2 groups were there. Then 3 plus 3, it is 6. Okay. Whatever groups were given, so that groups we have to take and repeatedly we have to add. So, this is nothing but repeated addition, okay. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition, the same number we are adding repeatedly, okay. So, after this we are going to do how to multiply when repeated addition is there, okay. Now, students, in fun time, so complete the multiplication. So, we have to complete this multiplication. So, in this 3 circles were given, concentric circles, first, second and third. So, in this 8 is given. So, we have to multiply these numbers with 8, Similarly, in the second also all these numbers we have to multiply with 9. The similar, so all these numbers we have to multiply with 10. Now, see here how to multiply. 8 3s are, what is 8 3s are? 8 3s are 24, that 24 we have to write here. 8 3s are 24, okay. Next 8 7s are 56, that we have to write here. 8 9s are 72, 8 9s are 72, then after that 8 6s are 48, 8 6s are 48. Next 8 2s are 16. Next 8 8s are 64. So, that we have to write. So, 8 multiples. So, whatever is given with that we have to multiply and we have to write our product, means our answer here. So, in last circle. The similarly, so 9. So, we have to multiply with 9. First 9 10s are 90. Next after that 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are 45. For that 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18. Then after that 9 6s are 54, 9 6s are 54. Next 9 9s are 81, okay. Next 9 4s are 36, 9 4s are 36. In the same way, so we have to multiply all this number with 10, means 10 multiples we have to write. So, 10 7s are 70, we have to take 70 here. Then 10 9s are 90, we have to take here, 10 9s are 90. Then after that 10 6s are 60, okay. Next 10 1s are 10, next 10 5s are 50, next 10 3s are 30. So, in this way we have to multiply and we have to write our product, means our answer here, okay. So, you should know the tables from 1 to 20 perfectly, okay. All you should by heart 1 to 20 tables, okay. Yes. Now, students, see here in activity first what he has given. Look at the group in each of the picture below and fill in the blanks. Here in each group first we have to check, so what is given in the picture, according to that what he is asking, that we have to fill in the boxes. Okay. First see here, so this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth, total 6 groups are given. In 6 groups how many circles are given in each group? 1, 2, 2 circles, 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 1, 2, 2 circles. Okay. 2, 2 circles are given. So, how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 2. How many times? 6 times. 6 times 2. Why? Because 6 groups were given. So, which groups? 2 groups. That is why 6 times 2. 6 times 2. Then how can we represent this in multiplication? 6 into 2. 6 into 2. 6 2's are 12. So, total how many circles were there? Total 12 circles. Once you want to count, then you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 circles. In the same way, here, how many circles are there in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles. Then how many times 5 is there? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 5 is there. 3 times 5. 3 times 5. This is first time, this is second and this is third. 3 times 5. Then how can we take in multiplication? 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Okay. Total 15. So, 3 5's are 15. Once you want to count, count it. Then after that, how many circles are there in each group? 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many times 8 is there? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 4 times 8. Then how can we represent this 4 times 8 as a multiplication? 4 into 8. 4 into 8. Next. Here, how many circles we have here? Once you count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 circles in each group. Then how many groups? How many times 10 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. 6 times 10. Then how can we represent 6 times 10? That is 6 into 10. Okay. Total 6 tens are 60. Total 60 circles. Once you want to count, then you will get 60 circles only. Okay. So, in this way we have to fill in the blanks. First we have to see in the picture what is given, according to that what he is asking. So, in that way we have to fill the blanks. Okay. Now students, see here next in activity 2, so complete the table. So, we have to complete the table. So, here some balls are given, balloons are given, in the next grapes were given, in the next butterflies were given. See here, so in the first how many groups there? So, this is first group, this is second group, this is third group. Total 3 groups were given. So, in that 3 groups, how many balls were there in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in first group, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in second group, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in third group. So, then first we have to add. So, that is 4 in first group plus 4 in second group plus 4 in third group. 4 plus 4 plus 4. So, how many times we have to add? 3 times. So, these 3 equal groups we have. So, we have to add 3 times. Here in multiplication, how to do in multiplication? This is a repeated addition. The same number we are adding 3 times, thrice. It is repeated addition. That is how to take 3 times 3 3 times 4, 3 times 4. Then 3 times means 3 into 4, 3 into 4, 3 times 4 means 3 into 4. Now 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12, the product is 12. If you add all these 4 walls, then your answer is 12. If you multiply 3 with 4, the answer is 12. So whenever repeated addition is there, then we have to apply multiplication. How many times this 4 is there? 3 times. 3 times 4 we have to write, that is 3 into 4. The multiplication representation, 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12, 12 is the product. Next, in the similar way, balloons, how many groups were there? This is first group, this is second group, this is third group, this is fourth group. Total how many groups? 4 groups. In 4 groups, how many balloons are there in each group? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons were there in each group. So how many groups were there? Total 4 groups. So now we have to add 5 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 times we have to add. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is repeated addition. Then multiplication, how to convert this repeated addition in multiplication? It is 4 times. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 5. 4 times 5. Then representation. So 4 into 5. 4 into 5. Then what is 4 into 5? You know 4 table. 4 5s are 20. Total how many balloons? 20 balloons. If you multiply, if you add 5 4 times or 4 into 5, the answer is same, that is 20 balloons. Whenever repeated addition will come, then we have to write in multiplication, that is 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. So in the next question, grapes were given and number of butterflies were given. Here in grapes, so 2 you have to arrange. So here 2 means 2 equal groups are given. In each group 3 grapes were there, means bunch of grapes. How many? 3 in one group and 3 in another group. So we have to add 3 plus 3 2 times. 3 plus 3 2 times in a row. 3 plus 3. Then how to represent in multiplication? Then 2 times 3. 2 times 3. Then 2 3s are 6. In that way you have to do the remaining 2 questions. Number of butterflies also there. In each group how many butterflies were given? 4 butterflies were given. So how many groups were there? Total 4 groups. Then 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 you have to add. In your textbook one butterfly is missing, so that butterfly is there. So you have to draw that butterfly is also. Okay, one butterfly is not given. Okay, so that remaining 2 questions you have to do by your own on the basis of these 4 questions are similar questions. Already we did 2 questions, more 2 questions were there, that similar questions that you do as your home assignment. Okay, next here see, in third activity, so identify the multiplication shown by the following number lines. Identify the multiplication. So we have to identify the multiplication here. See in the activity what it has given. So here 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12. Skip counting is there, 2 to skip counting. Then how many skip countings were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many skip counting? 6. It means 6 times. 6 times. What is the skip counting? 2, 2, 2 to skip counting is there. It means 6 times 2. 6 times 2. So how to represent in multiplication? 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. If 2 is skip counting by 6 times, then what is our answer? 12. Where we reach? At 12. Okay. here 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12. 12 means it is skip counting by 2. So, how much 2 to 2 to skip counting is there. Then how many times we skip 2 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. 6 times we skip 2 to counting. So, then 6 into 2. 6 2s are 12. At final, if we skip 2 times, so at 6 times, then where we should be at 12. We reach at 12. In the same way, here also skip counting 0 to 3 is there. It means skip counting 3 skip counting is there. 3 skip counting. So, then how many skip countings? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 4 times 3. 4 times 3. How to represent? 4 into 3. 4 3 is the 12. What is the answer? 12 is the answer. Then here skip counting 4 skip counting is there. So, how? 0 to 4, 4 to 8. It means 4 skip counting. How many times? 1, 2. It means 2 times. 2 times 4. Then that is 2 into 4. 2 4 is 8. 2 4 is 8. Then here skip counting by 5. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. Skip counting by 5. How many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Means 3 times 5. Then 3 5s. How to represent? 3 5s. What is 3 5s? 3 5s 15. Our answer is 15. So in this way we have to identify multiplication. So he has shown on the number line. According to the number lines, we have to identify our multiplication and we have to find the product. Okay. Now the next activity, fill in the blanks by skip counting. Skip counting is nothing but table. So if 5 is there, then so read 5 table and fill the blank. Okay. 5 after that, if we skip 5, then we will get 10. 5 6 7 8 9 10. So again after that skip counting by 5, then you will get 15. It means 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. So if you read 5 table, then it is very easy. So otherwise, if you want to skip 5 5 5 5, then you will get your answer. 40, after that skip 5. 40 means 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So like that. Okay. So otherwise, use table means read your table and fill. So whatever the circles, empty circles are there, so in that empty circles read and fill in that circles. Okay. Here 3 is given. So means we have to, so read 3 table. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27. Next, here 6 table is given. 6 skip counting means 6 table we have to read and fill in the missing circles. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54. Okay. Next, skip counting 7 means 7 table we have to read and fill in the missing circles. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63. Then here skip counting by 10, 10 is given here. 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50, 10 6s are 60, 10 7s are 70, 10 8s are 80, 10 9s are 90. In this way we have to skip counting. Skip counting 10 10 means just you read 10 table and fill whatever the missing circles were given. So, according to the table, so just you read and you will get the skip counting numbers in the empty circles. Okay.